what this will do is it will really bulk up your dal. So improvise whatever you've got in the fridge. Just chop them up and you can throw it into the dal to bulk it up. Brilliant. Okay, so I've got this beautiful yellow pepper. Yellow peppers are sweet. They will give a bit of a flavour. See how this comes out? There you go. Give nice skills there. Turn it around. Yeah. You can have it sliced, diced, whatever you want. Okay. I'm just going to have it diced. There you go. Chop, chop, chop. Dice, 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 dice. Watch those fingers. That's done. Cut, cut, cut. And that's done. Got my carrots chopped, broccolis chopped, and peppers chopped, ready to go into the dal. In the meantime, let's see what's happening to the dal. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's give it a bit of a stir. That is looking good. Okay, I think it's about time I added the tomatoes and the rest of the vegetables. Tomatoes, where are you? Here we are. Boom, done. Broccoli, boom, done. Carrots, boom, done. And yellow peppers, boom, done. So now I'm going to add in the last remainder of the coriander. Check that out a bit more. Not looking too shabby indeed. There you go. Okay, so here we are with kanam ghee. I absolutely forgot to add in ghee. Make sure you do it. Okay, so here's the rice cooker. Let's see how the rice is doing. It should be finished now, because as you can see, it says warm there. So it's just finished. Yeah, let's open the lid. Let's check out the rice. Oh yes, oh yes. This is good. This is very good. This will go very well with the dal.